Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make these 5 tequila cocktails that are not a margarita. Super easy and quick to make them. I had a lot of fun making these videos, so I might make a part 2. As always, I'm going to leave the recipe in the descriptions for you, as well as links for some of my products. Alright, without further ado, let's go! Alright, so for the Tequila Sunrise, all we need is 3 ingredients to make it. We're gonna need tequila, orange juice, and grenadine. We're gonna start with the ice. Two ounces of tequila. Orange juice. Just gonna mix this a little bit. And 1/4 ounce of grenadine. We're gonna pour this slowly. And we're ready to garnish. And that's how you make the Tequila Sunrise. Super simple cocktail, also have layers. Alright, let's move to the next one. Alright, so for this cocktail, all we need is 2 ingredients. We're gonna need tequila and Bloody Mary mix. Alright, I'm gonna start by rimming the glass with Tajín. Now we're gonna add ice to the glass. One and a half ounces of tequila. And Bloody Mary mix. Now we're gonna mix it. And we're ready to garnish. And that's how you make the Bloody Maria. It's pretty much a Bloody Mary, but with tequila instead of vodka. Alright, let's move to the next one. Alright, so for this cocktail we're gonna need tequila, ginger beer, and fresh lime juice. We're gonna start with ice. Now if you wanna get these Mule mugs, I got the link down in the descriptions for you. 1.5 ounces of tequila. 3/4 of an ounce of fresh lime juice. And we're just gonna top it off with ginger beer. And we're ready to garnish. And that's how you make the Mexican Mule. Guys, really quick before moving on to the next cocktail, if you're liking the video so far, give it a thumbs up, it does help me a lot. Also hit the subscribe button if you want to learn how to make more cocktails like this. Alright, let's move to the next one. Alright, so for this cocktail we're gonna need tequila, grapefruit soda, and fresh lime juice. We're gonna start with ice, 1.5 ounces of tequila, a pinch of salt, and we're just gonna top it off with the grapefruit soda. And 1/2 ounce of the fresh lime juice. We're gonna mix this. And I'm gonna garnish this with a grapefruit slice. That's how you make the Paloma. Alright, let's move to the last one. Alright, so for this cocktail we're gonna need tequila, pineapple juice, and fresh lime juice. We're gonna start by adding ice into a mixing glass, 1.5 ounces of tequila, half ounce of fresh lime juice, three ounces of pineapple juice, we're gonna shake it, we're gonna strain it, and we're ready to garnish. And that's how you make the Matador cocktail. Alright, time for a taste test. I'm just gonna mix this one. I'll give it a 9.5 out of 10. Now let's try the Bloody Maria. Cheers! I'll give it a 9.5 out of 10. Now the Mexican Mule. I'll give it a 9 out of 10. Now let's try the Paloma. Cheers! I'll give it a 9.5 out of 10. Alright, let's try the last one, El Matador. I'll give it a 9 out of 10. And that's how you make these 5 tequila cocktails. Alright, if you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn how to make more cocktails like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Also hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And as always, until the next one, cheers!